Wait, what are you doing? Don't push that button. Don't you dare.
Ooh, come on, man. It's just fire.
Are you serious, man? That's just gonna get worse than one fire.
We will see about that.
See? I told you, it's just gonna get worse. Oh, yeah, you're right about... Oh my god.
See, I told you, Mel, not to do this. Now let's get out of here before it explodes.
Oh yeah, time to go now. I'm running away. Me too. Wait for me. I don't want to die from this explosion. Oh no, the gas station has exploded. Now my boss will fire me. I told you not to do this, pal, but you never listened. Dio, you're right. It's my fault. I should never do this.